Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Black Fox Motors, and today we are in the real luxury jet V-Class VIP. Or what this car is. So definitely it's for the business meetings. It's for your business meetings with the partners, and it's for your presentation and for your best feelings, what you can get when you finish the meeting and you go to the next one and you feel like in the real private jet. We have inside the chargers for 2 phones. We have the big TV screen. We have Netflix inside. We have you can watch the YouTube. You can connect also your computer or iPhone. If you will ask me if this VIP is for the families, definitely no, but I have one version for you. You can now see on the screen it's another V-Class in Tiffany blue with the sky roof, and believe me, it's the best. We have also 2 extra seats in the front. If you have business meeting inside the car, it's really perfect. In other words, if you don't want to go outside of the car, you can meet your business partners inside, and believe me, they will like it so much. So thank you for watching this video about the VIP V-Class. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us 24/7. We are live, and yeah, don't miss new cars from Black Fox Motors. Focus on the best.